What's going on, guys? Simple Florida Fishing here, and as you guys can see, it's pretty dark in the evening. We just got back from fishing. We only caught a couple small snook in a little creek, nothing too crazy, but just something to get the channel kicked off. For some of you guys that have been subscribed for a while, you might know that I used to have some videos on YouTube, but I deleted all of them. I got a GoPro and we're doing a fresh start with some fire fishing content because I've been catching some good snook, tarpon, bass, redfish, all kinds of stuff every single day. So I gotta share these moments with you guys. So you guys stay tuned and keep watching the videos. So in this video, just like I said, couple small snook. I'm in a creek, leads into a pond, little neighborhood spots, so y'all enjoy. All right, guys, we got snook busting in this tiny little creek drain right here. Let's see if we can get one. Oh, I just had one. I don't know how big he was. Couldn't have been that big. So, the setup today, I'm running a Daiwa Fuego 2500 10-pound braid, Daiwa Procyon rod. It's a 7/6 one-piece medium fast. Oh, look at the snook busting. And we're just using some 20-pound seaguar fluorocarbon. Probably a 4.5 foot section of that. I like to use about 5 or 6 feet, but just this little 3-inch small paddle tail with a 16th ounce 3/0 wide gap hook. Earlier, I broke off on a slot on the same paddle tail in a canal. Also jumped a couple little micro tarpon. Come on, you know you want it. Come on. There we go. Finally able to stick one. It's probably, another one popping. Let's bring them over here so you don't scoop the other ones. It's probably 15, 16. Ooh, it's not horrible. It's a fighter. This is why we wear boots. Hello, little guy. First snook on GoPro. Come on, open it. Come on. Alright, let's just, come on. Let's grab it. Alright, guys. Look at that. Probably a little 15-inch snook or so. Paddle tail right in his mouth. Nice. Let's get him released. Normally I would do like a way better underwater release, but since this is the first fish of this GoPro, we'll just let him get going on his way. Should take a picture on my phone, but hold on, guys. There he goes. Braid me up. It's always important when you're snook fishing, even if a snook just bites it and you don't even catch them, like they will fray you. Always make sure retie. It's just that little bit of chafing can mean fish or no fish. Alright, let's get back in there. I see multiple snook busting left and right. Look at that. Look at that. Bust after bust. I know y'all can see that. I know you can. Look at that. Left and right. Oh, got him. Another one. Come on, this way. This one might have an inch or two on the one that I caught already. It might be 18, 17. Come on, little guy, don't fray me. This tiny one's looking for you. Let's get him down here. Later. Here in the water. Look at this guy. How cool is that? Tiny creek snook fishing. And mind you, this is mostly fresh water. Look at that. Look at that swim bait right in his mouth. Oh, nice.
probably a 16, 17. About the same size as the last one. Get him back. Oh, here he goes. Yep, I think that's gonna be it. All right. E-scooter fishing at its finest. There's the whip.
All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. So that's just a sneak peek of what we got coming. We got some fire content on the way. Y'all stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, leave a like. Go ahead and comment what you thought of the video and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Y'all stay safe, keep fishing, tight lines.